First thing we need to do on this turbo is get it reclocked because this is the drain and we need that going straight down. We'll loosen each one of these bolts so we can rotate the center section. After we rotate the center section, we will then clock our intake side. Now we have our intake on the upside, so we'll go ahead and just snug this down. Now let's get in our out to go where we want it. Man, I don't know which way to really go with it. If I go this way, the throttle body's right here, so I'd have to turn and then do a whole full UE. Do you go down this way to an intercooler or go down, up and over? It's a great question, but really the important part for now is just getting our center section set and this close to where we want it, because we can always switch this, but we need that center section level. And while we're here, we're going to toss on our adapter. A little gasket here. There we go. And toss on our adapter for our drain. So here we got our dash 10 with our gasket and adapter. Get you guys a better view here. One thing I am concerned about here is this, this flange being so close to it. All right, we went ahead and had to take that top one off because I could not get this fitting in without changing the angle of our inside here. So I have it sitting at about 13.5 degrees right now, and that seemed to be about the best angle that I could still get our fitting in here. From what I found online, the maximum angle you want your center housing is no more than 15 degrees. So we're sitting pretty good here.